For the best price, click the link in the description. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro, I'm sure you've heard of it, but here's what surprised me. I was skeptical about its ability to deliver on its promises. As a busy person, I need a trimmer that can keep up with my lifestyle. Therefore, I decided to put it to the test and see if it's worth the hype. First things first, let's talk about the design of this thing. It looks sleek, it feels solid in your hand, and the compact size is perfect for tossing into your gym bag or travel case. But what really caught my eye was the array of attachments that come with it. You've got your basic trimmer, a detail trimmer, and even an edger, all perfectly stored in this little carrying case. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does it perform? Well, let me tell you, the first time I used it was on my neck and jawline. The result, a smooth, even trim that left no ingrown hairs or razor burn behind. It's amazing to think about how much easier it makes your grooming routine. But there's a catch. Most electric hair clippers can leave your skin looking dull and uneven, not the Shortcut Pro. Therefore, I was impressed by its ability to not only cut my hair but also provide a healthy shine afterwards. For the best price, click the link in the description. Now that we've talked about the basics of this product, let's dive into some of the features that really make it stand out from the rest. First off, there are multiple length settings, so you can choose how short or long you want to go. It also comes with a pop-up trimmer and detail trimmers for those hard-to-reach areas. One thing I was particularly interested in testing was its performance on longer hair, and let me tell you, it handled it like a pro. The dual-cut blade technology made quick work of even the thickest locks, leaving my skin looking smooth and refreshed. But what about maintenance? After all, we've all been there with clippers that need constant cleaning and upkeep. Thankfully, the Shortcut Pro has a washable design that makes cleaning easy as pie. Simply rinse it under running water or give it a good swab with soap and water. It's that simple. And let's talk about safety for a second. With many trimmers on the market, it's not uncommon to see some pretty nasty accidents involving exposed blades and broken skin. But not with this one. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro has multiple safety features in place to prevent exactly that from happening. From its self-sharpening blade to its lockout feature when you need a break, this thing is designed with your protection in mind. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is it worth the investment? Well, let me put it this way, if you're tired of dealing with clippers that just don't cut the mustard, no pun intended, then yes, it's absolutely worth a shot. But what really sets it apart is its versatility. One thing I've noticed in my research on this product is that many reviewers have praised its ability to handle even the most stubborn facial hair. And let me tell you, I was skeptical at first. However, after using it myself, I can confidently say that it's one of the best trimmers out there for getting rid of unwanted hair. For the best price, click the link in the description. Now that we've talked about all the great features and benefits of this product, let me tell you what really sold me on it: the value. At a price point significantly lower than its competitors, I couldn't pass up the chance to give it a try. And after using it for a while now, I can confidently say that it's been one of my best purchases in recent memory. But don't just take my word for it, check out some of the reviews from other users who have tried it out themselves. They rave about its performance, ease of use, and value for money. And if you're still on the fence, consider this: most trimmers can cost upwards of $100 or more. The Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro, it's available right now for under half that price. So what are you waiting for? For the best price, click the link in the description and give it a try today.